The Samsung Notebook 9 Pen is a greatest hits tour of Samsung's best laptop features. It's a slim, lightweight laptop with an excellent 360-degree hinge, plenty of ports, lots of computing power, plus one very phone-like feature, the same Samsung S Pen stylus found in the Galaxy Note 8 phone. The stylus fits into a slot on the front edge of the system, which means hopefully you're less likely to lose it. It can also launch Samsung's inking apps, which is another Note 8 feature and one that actually works pretty well on a laptop. The other big standout to me was that this is a Core i7 13-inch laptop that weighs a bit under 2.2 pounds. And there really is a big difference in feel between this and a laptop that weighs, let's say, 2.5 pounds. My main complaint is that the silver gray design is painfully plain, especially for a laptop that's on the expensive side. Other slim 13-inch laptops we've tested recently have had much bolder designs in more imaginative colors. Battery life was also merely okay, about 7.5 hours for me, which is not quite the all-day battery life everybody wants. But as a super light, very competent take-anywhere laptop, the Notebook 9 Pen does the job, and if you're at all interested in drawing, sketching, or note-taking, the S Pen and its clever hidden slot is a great way to do that.